Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Reddit account. First, navigate to the Reddit login page using your preferred web browser. Look for and click the Forgot Your Password link, which will initiate the recovery sequence. You'll then be prompted to enter either your username or the email address linked to your account. This crucial step helps Reddit identify your specific account for recovery. Make sure to have this information readily available. After submitting your username or email, Reddit will send a password reset link to the associated email address. It's important to check your inbox carefully and remember to look in your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these emails can be filtered there. Once you locate the email, click on the provided link. This action will securely redirect you to a page where you can create a new password for your Reddit account. Now you'll be on the password reset page. Here, you need to create a strong and unique new password. It's highly recommended to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to enhance security. Avoid using easily guessable information. After entering your new password in the first field, carefully type it again into the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos. Once confirmed, you can log in. If you encounter issues, such as not receiving the reset email, double-check that you entered the correct username or email address. Sometimes a small typo can prevent the email from reaching you. For future security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Reddit account. It adds an extra layer of protection. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your account secure is vital, so always be vigilant about your login details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.